Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just iPhone not detecting SIM on your phone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to take off your SIM card and just put it inside again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the error, so just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find your airplane mode. So just try to turn it on, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after you can try to go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just try to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.